What's up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to explain what custom fields and custom values are and how to use them and how they can be extremely powerful for staying organized and collecting the data you need from your client and leads. So out of the box, if we click on the contact inside the LeadDragon, you're going to have the basic information: first name, last name, email, phone number, date of birth, source. You're going to go to general info. There's additional fields here that you can fill out and actually create a form with. So let's hop into the form builder. Let's go to the builder. So if you're building like a contact form or an intake form on a landing page, for example, you can drag and drop these standard fields in here, and it'll be very easy to collect that information. However, there will come the time where you want to collect custom information. So for example, if you're collecting information about a project or you need specific information from the client in order to get started, you're going to be able to go to custom fields, go ahead and create that field here. So we're going to go ahead and just create a quick, easy one, a checkbox. For example, you will be charged $75 if you miss this appointment. I'm just going to create that one. I agree, and we can go ahead and it's going to save this custom field, and you'll be able to drag and drop it right here. So we're going to create a few more. So let's go ahead and create a radio button. What is your favorite color? And we're just going to do blue, red, yellow, green, and purple. And we'll add another type of custom field. Again, you'll be able to do a file upload. There's many types of custom fields, so we're going to do a file upload. Upload your logo. We're going to allow any format, multiple files, save. And as you can see, I've now created a quick, easy intake form. So now that I've created these custom fields, I'm going to hit Save Form and hit Integrate Form. I'm going to open this in another tab so we can see the form. And the cool thing about this is that once I fill out this form, which is some dummy text, we're going to go ahead and upload a quick image. Let's just upload the logo. I agree. Blue is my favorite color. Hit Submit. And if we go into the contact that I just submitted, let's go look for me. I believe it's this one. And I go under additional info. There it is. It's attached right there. It has all these custom fields. And if I go to any contact, it's also going to be there. But of course, that information is not filled out. So there's nothing here for this person. But for the person that did fill it out, which is me, I can see that under my additional info that information can be found there. The other cool thing about the custom fields and values is that you're able, if you go to under funnels and forms, you'll also be able to see where the submissions were made. So let's look at that real quick. You'll see that the latest submission should be mine here. Use the intake form, and there it is. So if you need to access that information. So say, for example, you're creating a workflow. Let's just hit one from scratch, or let's look at this appointment confirmation one, and you're sending a confirmation email. You're now going to be able to pull in these custom fields in here for the contact. For example, right here. So if you need to show or send in the confirmation email their entries, you can put your favorite color. And it's going to auto-populate right there. So you're able to bring in those custom fields that you created for the form. As long as you have the entries for that contact, say, for example, that form was attached to a calendar, you're going to be able to bring in those custom fields through here. So it's going to be really useful in the future as you collect people's information. So again, it's important. Another way to use the custom values here is for their appointment. You can do if the trigger is an appointment on the calendar, you're able to go ahead and pull in the appointment time. Again, these simple ones are pulling in people's first names and last names and phone number, email. But again, you can get very complex with the custom fields and bringing them in as custom values. So in the future, if you need to edit your custom fields or values, you're able to access all of them by going to settings, and then go into custom fields right here. So again, you can edit them, you can delete them, you can add additional ones here. That way you don't have to add them in the form builder. You can access your custom values here by creating a custom one based on the actual field here. If you wanted one. But basically, this is where you're going to edit them. Again, it's going to be very important if you're collecting people's information. You're going to be able to find that at the contact level and in the submission. So again, customize LeadDragon to best fit your project and business needs. The more information you give LeadDragon, the more it's going to be able to do for you. Again, if you need any help, please hit us up on the chat and we'll be more than happy to help you set this up.